so today's video is going to be my box Sherm unboxing. And before I get into this video, I just want to say, please, Mom, if you're watching this, I'm having a bad hair day. Leave me alone. I have earrings on though. But anyway, I guess there's not much else to say. We can jump right in. So it's March. Happy St. Patty's month. That is the theme for the box. I don't really know if they focus on themes anymore at BoxyCharm, but the card is a cute little St. Patty's card. And then the first thing we're gonna try out is this bad boy right here. This is from the brand The Beauty Crop. I've never heard of this brand, but this is their avocado hydrating eye mask. It's infused with green tea, nourishing avocado, and all that good stuff that's going to hydrate and depuff your tired eyes. So let's try them out. I know avocado is great for dry skin. I can't open this. Let's see, what can I use? What can I use? What can I use? Sure. Ooh, there's also chamomile in this. That's like calming and nice. So inside the box, you do get 3 different eye treatments. It's the same product, just 3 different times. So 3 different sessions. I'm not making any sense today. It's an avocado. Thanks. Ah. Oh dear. Oh dear. These are very wet. All right, here we go. It's really cold. Okay, interesting. There's like little dots on these eye patches. I wonder what that is. I like to really bring them up so I can moisturize my crow's feet. All right, so I have to keep these on for 15 minutes. I'm gonna go take the dogs outside, go for a little stroll in the yard, and I will be right back. Okay, we're back. It has been 15, 20 minutes, and we feel good. Honestly, that felt really nice on my under eyes. The entire time, it's like nice and cold. You can almost feel it depuffing. And I thought it was gonna be really annoying, like slipping and sliding down my face the entire time, but it wasn't. It was only in the beginning when I was trying to put it on. But once it's like sitting there, it doesn't really slide that much. I only had to like push it up once or twice, which I know isn't a big deal, but that can be annoying. So I just wanted to mention that. Oh my God, my hair. But my under eyes feel really, really good. Like really hydrated and amazing. I really like that. I'm glad I have 2 more to use. Give me all the hydrating stuff. Give it all to me. So next up, we got another skincare product. This is from the brand Glow Recipe, and I would be really excited right now to have a new face moisturizer if I hadn't had just purchased like 3 of them the other day. I will link my skincare haul down below if you haven't seen it. But this is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. It is calming and hydrating. Who doesn't want that? I've actually never tried this product out before, but I love the Glow Recipe packaging. Like, it's so, so good. And actually, Glow Recipe has one of my favorite products of all time. Their pineapple, is it the pineapple enzyme serum? I don't know the name of it, but I love it so, so much. It smells like dog piss, like straight up, but it does wonders for my face. So I rub that pee all over. But anyway, let's smell this. Well, I mean, I knew it was gonna smell like bananas, but smells really, really good. I love their packaging so much. This looks like a little honey jar. Like Winnie the Pooh's face cream looks like this, right? So it says this is a soothing, lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores. It's also non-comedogenic and non-acnegenic, making it especially good for sensitive skin. Wow, this smells like a freaking banana smoothie. Holy crap. That is banana, and I like it. It says you can use this morning and night. This would be like such a nice summer daytime moisturizer because of that scent. But this also has, besides banana of course, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric. I love turmeric for my skin. I don't know, it has a lot of good stuff. I'm very excited. I mean, obviously I need to wear this for several days, but I'm excited that I have it. All right, I'm gonna jump off camera really quick and do the rest of my face before trying out this eyeshadow palette. All right, so I just did my makeup. I'm wearing the Hourglass foundation stick mixed with the Auric Illuminator. I've got my Ilia bronzer on, of course, Alamar Cosmetics blush. And then for my lips, Alamar Cosmetics birthday suit liner and Bobbi Brown honey lipstick. I have been obsessed with this combo like so much. Now for this palette, I know a lot of people don't really love Lime Crime. I know that they had an issue a few years ago with the owner. I'm not exactly sure what it is. I didn't really keep up with it, but like in 2015, was it 2015? I'm not sure. I was still living in Key West. They had an issue where like a ton of money was taken out of people's bank account. I don't know, it was like very bizarre. I was actually one of those people. I don't remember the exact amount. I posted a video about it when it happened to me, but I don't really know if that was a mistake on Lime Crime's part Or actually, I'm not sure, but I didn't really purchase much from them after that. And I think now Lime Crime is like a whole new brand, like a whole new team. Correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not sure. But anyway, not that that matters. But we do have the Venus 3 palette in the box. I'm not familiar with any of the other Lime Crime Venus palettes, but this one is like the purpley one, and it's just a cardboard packaging. It comes with a nice mirror. And personally, I don't love when cardboard palettes are like thick like this, because I kind of feel like they're thick for no reason. Like I feel like this could have been a little bit thinner, or maybe I'm just like being overly critical, but that's just how I feel. Oh my god, I didn't realize that I was gonna do like a purple look and I'm wearing like a blue shirt. But let's do it anyway. I'm gonna do a very simple look, you know the drill. Let's test these colors, because I don't even know how Lime Crime shadows perform, I don't think. I've only tried their lips in the past. Okay, eyes are done. I just quickly popped on the Sky High mascara from Maybelline. Love this. And I really like this palette. I do, I really do. If I'm like going for a purple look, this is really nice. I really like this eyeshadow called Beam. It's so freaking stunning. It honestly ties the entire look together. I think these colors make your eyes pop, especially if you have like brown or green eyes. This shade is also really stunning as well, even though I didn't use it. So pretty. Actually, let me pop that on my inner corners. I don't know if it'll be too dark for my inner corners, but here we go. A little bit, a little bit. But yeah, I mean, so far so good. The packaging is a little bulky for me for just 8 eyeshadows, but I mean, they performed really well and I love the glitter. So yeah. Okay, we are almost done. We only have 2 things in the box. This is from a brand called Cab Cosmetics, and this is their hydrating lip oil. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty, and hello to juicy and hydrated. Ooh, so cute. It's like so 90s. I like this. Like this, very cute, very cute. It says it's a non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. This is in the shade Rum Punch, very pretty color. Let's pop it on. Oh my. Wow, that smells incredible. That smells like a pineapple, no, like a pina colada, like a straight up pineapple-y, coconutty, pina freaking colada. It smells so good. And the shine is really nice as well. I like the feeling. It's not tacky or thick, but it's not very thin and slippy where you feel like it's just gonna like disappear into nothing. Wow, I really like that. A lot so far. I'm curious to know if everybody got the same shade or if different people got different shades. I'm glad I got this color though. It's a very nice natural tint. It's pretty much clear, but it does have a little bit of that pinkiness to it. Very pretty. I like it. Okay, and then last but not least, we have this guy right here. This is the Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. It is their makeup setting spray, and at first when I opened the box, I was like, oh no, because I think I'm allergic to rose water. Honestly, this is how I came to this conclusion. If you guys have been following me for like 10 years, then you know. But back in the day, I was living in Mississippi, I used the Mario Badescu like rose water spray thing on my face, and my face lit up. It was so red and splotchy. I got so irritated from that setting spray, and then I just like stopped using it. But Let's just try it. Maybe it was that day. Maybe it was that Mario Badescu product. You never know. Rose water is like supposed to be good for you. Let's see. I'm gonna spritz some of this on my face. It says it's an antioxidant packed rose water setting spray, which yeah, we knew that. So let's see. Let's test the mist. Not too bad. Smells really nice. Like rose water. Not my favorite scent, but it smells really nice. Just gonna let that sit on the skin, and hopefully when I wake up tomorrow, my face isn't irritated. I mean, to be fair, I started noticing an irritation with that Mario Badescu product like right away. As soon as I was done spraying my face, slowly my face started to get really hot. Really hot. And I wasn't wearing any makeup. I was just spraying it on my skin directly, so I don't know. But that just melted everything right into my skin. Feels really nice. Honestly, when it comes to a setting spray, I judge it based off of number one, the mist. This one's not so bad. It's not super fine, but it's not squirty, which I hate squirty. This is like a nice even mist, so that's good. And then I also judge it based on how it makes my skin look. And I like this one because it's not too dewy. Like it just made everything melt right into the skin, but it's not leaving me like super glowy, so it's like a nice natural everyday mist. And then I also judge it based off of how long it keeps my makeup on. Some setting sprays are not meant to prolong your makeup, so it honestly just depends, but yeah. But all right, guys, that is it. That is my makeup with some of these products. I like it. I think I really loved everything this month. There wasn't anything that I was like, I don't know about that. Maybe this. This is the only product that I'm like, it's okay. But this I love. I really like that palette. I'm excited for this. And those eye patches were awesome. So, wow, it's a really good box this month. I'm gonna go ahead and add everything together on my calculator. Ooh, 137, that's expensive. I always get excited adding everything up for some reason, and I hope you guys do too. But yeah, guys, that completes this video. That was everything I got in this month's Boxescherm. How do you feel about your box this month? Did we get the exact same things? Did you love it? Did you hate it? I would love to know your thoughts in the comments below. Like I said, that completes this video, guys. I love you so much. You have no idea. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.